Hi, Assalamualaikum kids. How are you today? Okay, for today we'll continue on simple present tense also, but more on regulation. Okay, more on regulation writing on simple present tense. Okay, lebih kepada kebiasaan untuk menulis. Okay, so for today, if you look carefully, there are 4 tables here. Ada 4 jadual. Okay, first one is here. Okay, second one is here, third one, and fourth. Okay, is so for today is the substitution table is a bit easy. Okay, because it's still in simple present tense, masih dalam simple present tense in writing. Okay, kita continuation sahaja, kita ada sambungan-sambungan writing kita sahaja. Okay, so this is a, okay, goes to, and likes going. Okay, so for today, we write just like usual, macam biasa, you have to write your date. Today is 29th of July 2021. Make sure you write your date. Okay, then make it's easier because Selvum is a boy. Make sure you confirm the name first. Okay, Selvum, Ahmad, Sweetie, and Ranjit. Okay, so make sure is a So make sure this is a boy or a girl. Okay, Selvum is a boy. Ahmad is a boy. Sweetie is a girl. Ranjit is boy. Okay, so I have to you have to make sure. Don't simply write. Jangan main-main tulis sahaja. Make sure when you're writing, make sure the gender. Okay, so I'll do the first one. Selvum is a boy. Selvum is a boy, so he or she, we use he goes to school by bus. Okay, still he, because Selvum, he goes to school by bus. Okay, every day. Okay, Selvum likes go to school on a big yellow bus. Okay, so I write here. Okay, I write, then if you see down below, kalau kamu tengok yang bawah ni, okay, look, okay, so I have write it. Selvum is a boy. He goes to school by bus. He goes to school by bus every day. Selvum like going to school on a big yellow bus. Okay, so this is a complete writing after matching the table. Selepas kita matchkan dengan table tu tadi, so we do a complete sentence. Okay, so make sure this you don't have to write. You have to skip one line. Selang satu baris. Every paragraph you have to skip one line. Okay, so this one is you don't have to do. You skip the line, then you have to start with Ahmad here. Okay, finish Ahmad, you skip one line, skip for one line, and start with Sweetie. Okay, and until back there. Okay, until finish here. Until Ranjit. Okay, this is complete. Do you have missed the line? The Ranjit here. Okay, this is for complete the table. Okay, substitution table. Jadual bertukar. Okay, for our fill in the blanks, it's easier, I know, because this has been in a table. Dah ada dalam table tu. You just fill up this one. Okay? Understand, okay? Understand, kids? Okay, that's all for now. Bye.